Hi, today is another amazing day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Eskin Kwame, and today we are going to make a very special chicken soup. Yeah, you heard me right, chicken soup. So the food items are chicken. You have to get yourself a chicken. You have to get yourself vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, and then you have to get yourself pepper, garlic, and then ginger, and then some onions, and then there's an eggplant. You can use garden eggs, or if you don't have garden eggs, you can use this eggplant in place of garden eggs. And there's organic anise seed, so that one too will be added. So stay tuned as we begin preparation. So here we start by cutting and chopping the chicken into reasonable sizes. So you can see here the knife is very sharp, so that helps us to cut the thighs of the chicken. Yeah, that's where we begin. So any way you want, you can start and cut the chicken into reasonable sizes. So here we start with the thighs, the chicken thigh. Now we'll go with the wings. So you start by cutting the wings too. And it won't take that long. We will be done in a very few minutes. In a few minutes time, we'll be done with it. So now we go with the chest. So we'll now be cutting into small sizes. Take out the small tails from there, and then you start cutting it into smaller sizes. The back is very hard, so we do that in order to get the small size. That's why I told you that you cut it into reasonable sizes depending on the size you want. So we're done with the chicken. Now we've done with the chicken. Now after we're done with the chicken, we go to our vegetables. We start chopping and peeling them for blending. So we start with the onions. We take the back of the onions from and after we're done with the onions, we pick our garlic and then so these are the onions. They are really huge. They are really huge. So we have to get our blender, and then after peeling and chopping, we put all the vegetables inside the blender for blending. After we've done with the onions, we take our garlic. After we're done with the garlic, we take our ginger, we peel it, we chop it into smaller sizes, and we add it to the onion and the garlic inside the blender. Here we blend everything together. So after blending everything together, we pour them on the chicken, the chopped chicken. After pouring it, we add our seasoning cube to give it a very nice and special taste. So we put it on fire for several minutes. After that, we check. After staying on fire for a few minutes, we then add the rest of our vegetables on it for it to be well cooked before we blend the rest too. So we put in our tomatoes and the rest. So after several minutes, we then take them out and then we blend them. So after several minutes, they are now cooked for blending. So they are now very soft. So we take them out, put them in the blender, and then we blend them. After blending them, we pour them back inside the chicken soup. You can see it's very simple and very special. So we've done with our chicken soup. Very simple and very special. Like and follow, subscribe, and please comment on the link below. Wow, very tasty, yummy, delicious. So you can follow these simple steps and then prepare your own. So follow for more videos.